Hello there, this is George. Got a new gaming computer, so I'm gonna try the recording out. Hopefully, the recording won't be as jerky as before. Pick a easier plane to fly. Tier 2 German plane, Arado 68 fighter plane. Pretty tough, good firepower, but still a biplane, so can only go so fast, about 150 miles per hour or so. Machine guns only, no missiles, no rockets, no cannons. So just good old days, right? Machine guns. So fighters are good for dogfights. They have bombers and ground attack airplanes, but those usually get killed, since they cannot really defend themselves. The super heavy bombers are good because they stay really, really high up, and then light fighters cannot climb that high up. But the ground attack airplanes usually means you are, dead meat. So fighters are cool, fast and nimble. Heavy attack airplanes are good, but it's really hard to master them. Multi-role is also good. That means half fighter, half ground attack airplane. So hopefully I don't have to wait that long. Okay, should be coming up. Yeah. Yeah, this game is that you have to learn to fly an airplane with a computer mouse and keyboard.
You're approaching the area of combat operations. Be ready.
Joystick is good, but unfortunately in this game you cannot aim with a joystick. So I think this is my airplane. I think the new computer, have better graphics. So I have the introductory scene of my airplane. Nighttime battles are tough because very difficult to make out the enemy airplanes and distinguish them
Show me what you can do, pilots.
from the mountains and so on, So you crash in the mountains more regularly, crash into the ground more often. So, yeah. Half the game is to shoot down the enemy airplanes, but the other half the game is that you have to control the sectors, those you can see in the lower right-hand corner. You control the sectors by taking over the sector, then destroying all the neutral airplanes, which is the white ones, and then finally the enemy airplanes, which is red. So these are white, so these are neutral. You still have to take these little guys out. Sometimes it's tough too because these are all controlled by the computer.
Large enemy force spotted over the
Sometimes
airfield.
it's slow. This guy's a fighter. This guy's a fighter. Where the hell did he go? These goddamn biplanes. Ah, he's still on. I got him. Yeah, fighters should take out the fighters, so that multi-role. You have to aim in front of the plane. Okay, I lost him. Is someone behind me? Nope. I think we control the sector. Let's take care of these two little guys. This little dude, lonely guy. What airplane? Multi-role. That's what I mean. So it's tough to see in the night sky. And what's the other dude? This guy. Oh, this dude. Oh, man, he's fast. Still, come on. Okay. Now, this guy. What the heck? Beautiful. No, one more guy. This is what? Ground attack. It's only 600 feet. How come? Should be in range. Okay, here you go. Here you go, here you go. Lead the shots, lead the shots. Perfect. Why do they keep coming? This is heavy attack plane. Too far. Let it turn red. Then within gun range, he's going some other guy. He's gonna pay chicken. So, yeah, this guy's fast. Sometimes big guys are tough to bring down. See? Yeah. Why do they keep coming? Shit. Oh, crap. Oh, Jesus, I hate this. Sometimes I wish I had my fighter. Where do they all come from? Don't crash, don't crash. Okay, I need help. Let's get this dude first. I lost him. This guy's coming in. What's it? Multi-row. Someone got him. Let's get this guy. He's coming towards me. Where the heck do we go? I'll pass him. So, okay. Give it this dude. Oh, big guy. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. Big guy. Come on. I think if I snipe him. Free guys, come on. Get. Oh, I knew it. People are behind me. Where'd it go? Can you see the nice sky?
You'll soon be cut off from support. I say again, support will not be available.
My guns are overheating. Come on, come on. Turn white. Okay. This dude behind me. There you go. Oh, okay, he's damaged. He's smoking. He's smoking. He's smoking. Come on, bring him on, guy. I want my fighter. Beautiful. Oh. Seems I'm the only one doing all the work.
You're on your own.
Yeah. Oh God, oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Why there's so many guys? Unbelievable. Where did they come from?
Victory is in sight.
Yeah, yeah, whatever. Who's behind me? Okay. Okay, who's behind me now? Oh, I'm upside down now. Come on, this dude.
We have complete control of the
Yeah,
sky.
whatever.
Way to go.
Who's behind me? My guns are behind me. This guy, come on. Move in a circle. Okay, this guy.
Great job today. We'll
Yeah,
be
yeah,
waiting
yeah.
for you back home.
I think they're all robots. That's why I did pretty decent. Yeah, that's why I told you the this tier 2 airplane, the German, the Arado 68, also did a lot of good work for me. Helped me to build up some points. So you need the points and the spare parts, the 10 spare parts, this and that, to enhance, upgrade, and so on. So I got 17 airplanes. Okay, pretty good. So no, this is a live person, real person. But all these guys are robots, you can tell, by their names, they only have first name, one name, capitalized, German lanes for German airplanes, Russian lanes for supposedly Russian airplanes, British guys for British airplanes. Something very cute, sometimes they have Japanese name flying Japanese airplanes, like Ruski names for Russian airplanes. So anyway. Yeah, okay, cool. I take it. Whatever these means, I don't care. So it's fine. Take a snapshot. What the heck? Okay, all right. That's it, folks. Yeah, quite fun.